Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to check out how you can look at, count, and evaluate arguments that are used with bash scripts. So we're going to show some code examples. In this first one, we're counting the number of arguments. So $, pound sign means the number of arguments that the user entered. We're saying if it's not equal to 2, then we're going to go ahead and issue this error message: need script name, month, year, and exit with an error code of 1. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead and run the cal command with those two arguments. In this second example, we're going to check whether an argument is numeric. This regular expression here says the entire argument has to be digits between 0 and 9 and nothing else, and order is not important. It just has to match that specification. So here we're saying if it doesn't match, if this isn't true, if the second argument doesn't match the expression, then we're going to issue an error that says not a number and exit with an error code of 2. Now here's our third example here. Here we're checking whether an argument is characters, and it doesn't matter whether they're uppercase or lowercase, or what order they're in. They just have to be any of these letters and nothing but those letters. And again, we go here and check. If it doesn't match, if it's not all characters like that, then we're going to issue an error that says not alphabetic and exit with an error code of 3. And in this final example, we're going to check whether a year and month are valid by using the cal command. So here I'm taking the two arguments, running cal, but sending the output to dov null, which means the user doesn't see it at all, the person running the script. And then we're going to check whether the return code from that command is not equal to 0, because if it's not equal to 0, that means the command created an error of some kind. It resulted in an error. Then we're going to echo invalid month year and exit with an error code of 4. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead and run the cal command with those two arguments, knowing that it's going to be fully successful. Well, that is your Linux tip for working with bash arguments. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.